Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today I want to talk to you about a really quick hack that I just learned from DJ Studio Man about how to find the halfway point or the half distance, the center of any particular plank or measurement. So I have something set up right here. I'd like to show you guys how to do it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when you're putting out new content. All right, so it's a quick thing of math. A lot of you guys are good at math, some of you are not. But let's just say you want to know where the center point, the halfway distance between this board is, or where the center of this board is. It's 5 3/8. So for all intents and purposes, we know that the center of this board is probably going to be 2 5/8 plus, or 2 11/16. So let's mark it 2 11/16. Okay, that's the mathematical way of finding out the center of a piece of material. Here's a quicker way that's very accurate as well. Here's our old mark right here. Now I'm going to pivot the tape to an easily divisible number, like let's just say 10 inches. I know that half of 10 is 5. So if I don't move anything and I'm on 10, I should be able to mark 5 inches right there, and that should be the center of this plank, which is 2 11/16 that way, and 2 11/16 that way, right there. And let's double check that. Looks pretty good to me. So we could do the same thing this way. We could just say, okay, let's try 12 inches. And you gotta make sure your tape measure is locked up against one side and that it doesn't move to be accurate. And then you got to put this right at the edge of 12. And you go to 6. Oh, I'm on my old mark, so I'm going to move this a little bit so that... Okay, there's 6 inches right there. And there's 2 11/16. 2 11/16. All right, guys, so one thing I want you to remember is, to make this work, you have to measure on the same side of the tape measure. You can't measure 12 inches back here. It has to be from the same pivot point side that you're drawing from. So I would just say this is the right side of the tape and this is the left side of the tape. Don't butt in from the right side and measure to the left side of the tape. If you do, it'll put you off. You got to make sure that you're measuring from the same side of the tape measure. Okay, so I learned something new today. Hope you did too. If you did, don't forget to click that subscribe button, because 83% of you do not, and we'd really like to raise that average. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of that hack. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.